Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily change the time in ambient mode on your CHiQ L32. So first go over to all settings. Now scroll a bit down to system. Here go to ambient mode and now go to more settings and go to time. Here you guys can either hide or show the time with ambient mode. So I'll show you guys how it looks like now. Here, as you guys can see, we have the time near the degrees. So 73 degrees, 23 Celsius, and the time is 4:25 now. And I'll show you guys how it looks like when the time is hidden. So now we'll hide the time and we're gonna start the ambient mode again. As you guys can see, the time disappeared and we only have the degrees. So this is how it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if this tutorial helped you. Bye.